Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting a baseline. Sit with feet flat and knees at 90 degrees so your pelvis can support the spine. Once seated, breathe into your diaphragm for 1 to 2 minutes to activate core stabilizers. Now do 10 slow chin tucks, holding each for 2 seconds. This repositions your head over your shoulders and reduces strain. Make sure to feel the back of your neck lengthen. This small correction instantly changes the chain above and below your torso. Once your head and pelvis are neutral, progress to strengthening and mobility. Do scapular squeezes, 3 sets of 12, to reinforce the muscles that hold your shoulders back. You'll notice your chest opens and rounding decreases. Next, perform thoracic extensions over a foam roller for 10 reps to restore mid-back mobility, which lets the spine move correctly. Finish with glute bridges, 3 sets of 15, because strong glutes stabilize the pelvis and prevent compensatory lumbar arching. Maintain controlled breathing throughout. Now integrate posture into real life. Perform posture checks every 2 to 3 hours for 1 minute to reinforce the new position and train endurance. Once comfortable, add loaded carries, 2 sets of 60 seconds, to teach your body to stay upright under load. If you feel persistent pain or symptoms increase, stop the exercise, reduce load, and reassess form. Make sure you're not compensating with the neck or low back. If pain continues, consult a clinician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.